Alright, this is the 2011-2012 Panini Preferred box break. Here we go. One box. I'm going to open it up first. I've got the list right here. I'll read it off in a minute. Just so you guys know that this is legit and I'm not trying to just get the good teams for myself. Take the sealing off here. And we'll take off a little sticker here as well. If I can get this little sticker off. Ugh. I always have trouble with these. Here we go. Got it. Alright, open this up. I've got the listing right here of who's got what in this. Here's a checklist. You get 2 of these. Got 3 packs and an all-star booklet, it looks like. Oh, wow. Having a little bit of trouble here. Alright. Wow. It's not my day right now with these. Triangular one in there. And get like a jersey auto in there. Alright, put these to the side right here. Alright, so you got that right there. I've also got in random.org right now, I've got the list right here of who's got what slot. I'll read that out once I randomize it. I'm going to randomize this 3 times. So 1, 2, and 3. Another tab, I've got the NBA teams. Randomize this 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to paste this into another Word document. And I'll do the exact same thing with the other one. This is the NBA teams. It only got 24 of these. So do a new one of these. Just go quickly. See if we can get this. Wrong one. Here we go. This should be good. Sorry about this. This is a little bit frustrating here. Alright, this should be good. Wow. Alright. So, can't believe that did not work. Go back to random.org. Just get this quickly numbered. Actually, we don't need to do that. We just randomize this 3 times. So we'll go 1. Ooh, actually we do. Sorry about this, everybody. Should have double checked it. Wow, sorry about this. I am so sorry, guys. It's not going to be alphabetical, but we're going to have a list here. Alright. Make sure we got 30 here. Yes, we do. That is 2 times. That is 3 times. Alright. Took a little bit longer than I thought it would, but we've got it here. So here's a list. Number 1, Cola Mirage has the Cavs. Sports and Music Collectibles has the Wizards. Jaybird 27 has the Nets. Story 1388 has the Thunder. Cola Mirage has the Bucks. Bang Harder has the Hornets. Sports and Music Collectibles has the Nuggets. Anna Marie 0413 has the Kings. Sports and Music Collectibles has the T-Wolves. Jaybird has the Trailblazers. M. Kim 8470 has the Rockets. Sports and Music Collectibles has the Mavs. Jaybird 27 has the Raptors. Bang Harder has the Celtics. M. Kim 8470 has the Sixers. P. McMahon 9 has the Knicks. Sports and Music Collectibles has the Heat. Sam Fran Fanaway 76 has the Clippers. Scroll down a little bit. Anne Marie 0413 has the Jazz. Suave Blue has the Warriors. Cola Mirage has the Magic. Jaybird 27 has the Spurs. 23. Sports and Music Collectibles has the Lakers. Sports and Music Collectibles at 24 has the Grizzlies. M. Kim 8470 has the Pistons. Sports and Music Collectibles at 26 and 27 has the Suns and the Hawks. 28 R9T has the Bobcats. At 29, Cola Mirage has the Pacers. And at 30, Starkey Football has the Chicago Bulls. All right, let's open these up here and see who gets what. We'll put the booklet last. We'll open up this one first. Ooh, we got a nice card here. Oh, the booklet rules. It's going to go to the one at the farthest to the left. Whoever has that at the farthest to the left, it's an all-star booklet. Nice triangle cut here. This is Andre Miller on the Nuggets. Wow, nice card here. Crown Royale. That's 36 out of 50. The Nuggets are number 7, and that is Sports and Music Collectibles. So Sports and Music Collectibles has Andre Miller. Ooh, it's feeling like another triangle cut here. Let's see which one this is. It is. It's 12 out of 15. And this is Lenny Wilkens, Panini's Choice Award. This is 12 out of 15. Atlanta Hawks. The Atlanta Hawks. Where are the Atlanta Hawks? Number 27. That is Sports and Music Collectibles. He has the Hawks with Lenny Wilkens and Andre Miller of the Nuggets. All right, the very last autographed card in here. Feels like a jersey. Hopefully we get a good one in here. And Detlef Schrempf. That is the Dallas Mavericks. 56 out of 99. Dallas is number 12, and that goes to Sports and Music Collectibles. So he got all 3 of the autographs. That is an autographed jersey of Detlef Schrempf, Andre Miller, and Lenny Wilkens. All 3 go to Sports and Music Collectibles. All right, the booklet here, all-star booklet. So you can see it is numbered 118 out of 199. We'll start here. Kevin Durant, Derrick Rose, Carmelo Anthony, Dwayne Wade, Dirk Nowitzki, LeBron James, and Blake Griffin. Wow. That goes to the Clippers as he is in the farthest to the left. Los Angeles Clippers, number 18, San Fran Fanway, 76. Walking away with a nice booklet. This is the nicest one I've seen. Wow. 118 out of 199. Again, that's Blake Griffin, LeBron James, Dirk Nowitzki, Dwayne Wade, Carmelo Anthony, Derrick Rose, and Kevin Durant. Heck of a booklet right there. Well, thank you all for buying. I will be sending these out tomorrow in the mail, and they should be there in 2 days. If you do not win an autographed card, well, I'll send you a regular card or 2. You can message me if you want a specific team. Otherwise, I'm just gonna send you a random card out of my collection. So thank you for buying, and hopefully you buy another one. I'm probably gonna do another one of these breaks and list it in a few days. So thank you.